Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I ordered stuff from amazon.co.uk here that I want us to unbox. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. So this is what we have here. We got this soundbar. This is ULTIMEA Apollo S60 Dolby Atmos Dolby Vision 4.1 immersive sound, 4.1 immersive clang, Bluetooth connection, HDMI and 4K HDR. What I want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. ULTIMEA bass technology, split fit unit to beat. So let's check this stuff out. It's 4.1 channel soundbar, Dolby Atmos. What is in here? This is the manual, and this soundbar is detachable. I like the recycled plastic packaging. There we go, brilliant stuff. And see what it looks like. This is the part of the sound bar. It's detachable. This is the second part. Brilliant. This is a brilliant stuff. Can see what it looks like. ULTIMEA. In front of it, it's metal grill. Then the back is plastic. So the way this goes is just, you need to go inside here. You need to go in. There we go. So once you put it inside, you need to put it inside together. Then twist it. So this is very beautiful because it's detachable, so you can position it as you like. This is the subwoofer here. Let's see what the subwoofer look like. Nice. There's a black clothing here. The rest is wood. Apollo S60 S50. This is HDMI cable, remote control, and the cables. Optical cable included, and the power cable. ULTIMEA 4.1 channel Dolby Atmos soundbar for smart TV, 2-in-1 Bluetooth 5.3 soundbar for TV with subwoofer, 280 watts peak power, 3 equalizer mode, TV soundbar, bass boost, HDMI EAC, Apollo S60 detachable series. This soundbar will elevate TV sound with Dolby Atmos, versatile and saving space, wired subwoofer with enhanced bass, personalized sound experience, upgrade integrated SDP chip, seamless connectivity. Apollo S60 soundbar for TV has wired and wireless dual connection option, including HDMI, optical, auxiliary, USB port. All cables included. Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensure fast connection speed, lossless audio transmission, and accessories included. You got 2 bass for you to stand the soundbar, remote control included, HDMI cable, optical cable, stereo RC 3.5mm audio cable. You also have 4-pin cable for soundbar connection. 4-pin cable for soundbar connection. Screws, the power cable, and the 2 soundbar, detachable one and subwoofer. These are the stuff that's included in the packaging. You also have wall brackets. So this stuff needs to be 11 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now from this soundbar, you can switch this on and off. Input for you to, this button here is input for you to select HDMI, optical. This plus is for you to increase the volume, minus is for you to decrease the volume. You can switch this on from here and control it, but remote control is included. But you need to put your own battery. Battery is not included in the packaging. This is the remote control, and from this remote control you switch the soundbar on and off. From here you can see HDMI, EAC, HD in, optical, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and USB. All the connections here, you just need to do the connection and select the particular one. Then the center one is pause and play. Then this button here is for you to go forward, and this button here is for you to go back to the next track, forward to the next track. Plus and minus is for you to, plus is increase the volume, minus is for you to decrease the volume. Also you have 3 equalizer mode, which is have movie, game, and music. You also have bass boost. This button here is for you to mute the audio. Ports for this soundbar, so you have auxiliary port goes in here. You have optical, HDMI out, EAC, HDMI in, USB port, DC in, the power cable goes into DC in, sub out, the subwoofer cable goes in here, and this is for you to connect soundbar together. Use 4-pin cable. This is the wall mount. This wall mount cable goes in here. This is where it goes. Just need to slide it in. Yeah, this is wall mount. Other one goes in here as well. It goes into this second one. It's in. So this is the second wall mount. It's to show you how to set this soundbar up. First of all, you need to get AAA battery. It's not included in the packaging. So you need 2 AAA batteries. So you take negative to your right side, negative will be on top, the bottom one is positive. Then to the left, negative will be on the bottom, the top one will be positive. Okay, and it's in. Then you close it, just slide this up. Okay, the remote control is ready. Now this soundbar, depending on how you want to set this up, you can, it's very detachable. So if you want to set the soundbar up to be in this format, flat, then you need to slide it in from the setting clockwise front. Once you fit in the setting, then turn it to your right so that it will link up. This is if you want to leave this soundbar to be in this format, flat. Okay, so if you want it to be in flat, then you need to be in this format. But if you want to have it with the bass, then you detach it. Okay, and take the bass. This is the bass. Then you just need to take the bass and slide it in. Just need to go. So take the one part of the soundbar, then go in and twist it to your right, and this one is done. Then you take this one as well. Then turn it to your right. Now this is the subwoofer here. Then this subwoofer needs to go to plug it into the sub out. Okay, now take the power cable, to DC in. Plug it onto the socket. Now this cable that need to be connected. So this cable is 4-pin cable for soundbar connection. So this goes here. So you take the cable, go into the soundbar, and it's in. So then take the other end of the cable, connect it to the other soundbar. Push it inside and it's in. So the cables, so you need to take DC in is the power cable. The center one will be subwoofer, and the third one will be connection for the two soundbar. I want to show you how to hook it up to your TV using HDMI cable. If you check my video, we connected this soundbar to TV via optical cable. So I want to show you how to hook this up with HDMI cable. So you take HDMI cable, you need to make sure you unplug the soundbar and also unplug your TV. So take the cable, go at the back of the soundbar where it's written HDMI out, E-ARC. Plug in the cable, push it inside, and the cable is in. Then take the other end of the cable, go to the back of your TV and plug it on to HDMI into E-ARC. And it's in. So plug the TV to the socket and also plug in the soundbar to the power. Use the soundbar remote control to select E-ARC.
Before her animal becomes impossible.
And this is the audio.
So it's quite important from a husband.
So what you need to do is
Joey,
you need to go to TV settings to check this out.
Health checking. We don't want her to be scared. We want her
Scroll down to the sound.
Same with Violet. You know, we don't want Violet to.
And it's showing us HDMI
us taking Joey away.
device.
So,
And when it's in HDMI, you can control the volume using the soundbar and TV remote control.
You can't rush them, so it's all done on Violet's pace.
And this is movie.
A small gift of eucalyptus might help.
This is game. Music.
Come on.
How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Samsung B series soundbar, C400 soundbar with built-in woofer, one remote control, and surround sound expansion. This is moving. This soundbar is 2023 model. You can hook this soundbar up to your TV via Bluetooth and optical cable. I must say, optical cable is not included in the packaging. So we're going to measure this soundbar and also show you how to hook this up to your TV using optical cable. This soundbar from this end to this end is 64 centimeter, and the weight is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now this soundbar, you can also control it from the sound. Once you unplug it, then you need to use the optical cable. Plug it in where it's written digital audio in optical. Okay, so push the optical cable inside it. Okay, you can see the cable is in. Now we need to connect this using LG TV. So you can hook this up with any particular TV. Okay, so from your TV you need to go to. Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is beautiful.